This 2021 Forest River No Boundaries NB 19.8 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Salisbury, North Carolina, 28146 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 22 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 6, Slideout, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features Bunkhouse. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.